This conference will now be recorded.
Have you gone through the Google Analytics,
Yeah, yesterday like we were facing issue. I tried, but I couldn't fix it.
the tag manager?
Yeah, preview one. Yeah, I
Okay.
think so. I don't know. I did something. So my other thing also got disturbed.
Oh, is it working today? Have you tried
No,
today?
nothing. I
Okay.
tried.
Okay. So yeah, we'll see that. So on Google Analytics, that is the one issue which you're spending, but we'll see that. Okay.
So Avinash, are you working right now somewhere?
Yes, I'm working.
Like in a full-time job, right?
Yeah, I'm working on a full-time job. I'll do this as a part-time.
Okay. So are you in any agency or somewhere else?
No, if agency will be too much pressure. So right now I'm not with an agency, but with a product-based company.
Product base. I
Yeah,
mean,
they
in India
sell.
only this product and service they call it so much like I want to go in product base, I want to go in service, but here it's completely different.
So there it would be more of agencies.
No. So according to my job hunt, I didn't get much on agents. Like they, of course there are agencies jobs also, but there are like more jobs in domains like news channels and bank and this healthcare domain. So yeah, this is what I found.
Yeah, like people who share more content will have more digital marketing jobs.
Yeah. So
Like
like that day, yeah.
product-based companies, if they don't produce more content, they will not require more of a digital marketing people. They might have only one or two people mostly, or they'll hire an agency because they'll not generate new content. They'll just mostly go for the paid campaigns.
Yeah, but these insurance, they have to do like, they have to market a lot their insurance so that people can buy.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah,
So
this.
maybe when we see Google ads, we can get to know. Thing is, insurance and healthcare industry
Hmm.
both has high cost. Okay, both has too
Okay.
much competition, and it will have
Hmm.
a higher cost.
And this news
Like
channels also, right?
news channels.
News channels like in news side also, media side also.
Yeah, media side also. Media side, they won't do much paid promotions,
Hmm.
but there will be much competition to get the sponsored ads.
Yeah.
So yeah, so here when we see these kind of insurance, they will pay sometimes the cost per click will be around 700 rupees,
Oh.
1200 rupees, like that. Of course, they
Mm-hmm.
might not pay that kind of amount, but when we see when we do the keyword research, we'll find that
Mm-hmm.
kind of keywords. And in medical field also, when we are looking for keywords related to medicals, medicine or anything related to hospital or medical, it will be around 1200 rupees or like that. So it would be too costly.
So like you never tried to go outside for this position, like because I think apart from India, like in other countries, there are a lot of jobs for this.
Yeah, I tried, but the thing is, see, most people will say, I didn't get a company who can take me there. they'll ask me if you are in US, they can like they can provide me a job, but uh, they are like digital marketing. If I have a laptop, I can work from anywhere.
Mm-hmm.
So even uh, my company is a US based company. They do just have an IT office in Hyderabad. So
Mm-hmm.
when I ask my company, like my company has around in 24 countries or something.
Oh wow.
US, Canada, Australia is the main business. And when I
Yeah.
ask them, they say not required. If you have a laptop, you can work from anywhere. Don't come to office. Just go anywhere and work. They'll say that. And
Okay.
so they'll,
No, I
they'll,
mean
they'll, they'll
the way you're teaching, you know a lot of things. So like I don't know because all I know is like in India, people doesn't get much paid, but yeah,
yes.
outside, yeah.
So I worked in agency at first. So it's been 8 years, more than 8 years. My 3 to 4 years I worked in agency. In agency, how it will be, we need to deal with different clients, and different
Mm-hmm.
clients will have different requirements.
Yeah.
So that's why I have into more of complete digital marketing, 360 digital marketing.
Okay.
Okay.
You evolved that much in that agency.
Yeah, an agency is too much prayer. Of course, in India, not maybe outside, it would be based on. Right now, I do have a product-based company, and we do have some agencies also.
Mm-hmm.
More than
So like
they're
when you
not
say
working.
product base, like then what
Mhm.
does a product based company like do in digital marketing?
They need to just sell their products. The main agenda or main aim is to sell their product and increase their branding.
So suppose Amazon is like Amazon is a platform, and suppose I want to like I'm a client and I want to sell my product. So
Mm-hmm.
uh, like I can then hire someone and I can ask them to do SEO so that my product rank can come
Yeah.
up on Amazon.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So Amazon will do these paid campaigns. Right now, I'm seeing Samsung.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, Amazon will do this paid campaign. Mostly, Amazon will do paid campaigns like
Mm-hmm.
social media, and Google.
Then why people don't like if like I don't know like how easy or how tough it is. Like according to me, I think SEO needs more practice to
Mm-hmm.
uh, to get like practical. Then why not much people are in this field?
One thing, when it comes to India, one thing is salary. Second
No,
thing,
no.
SEO is not a guaranteed job. See, like guarantee means when you do coding, if you want to
Uh-huh.
develop a website, okay, we
Mm.
need to develop 5 pages, we need to do this much work, that's it. But when it comes to SEO, like I want to rank 5 keywords, so there is no limit on the work. Like if I do 1 month, it will come up. No, it will not come up. Okay,
Okay.
and we need to work and work based on competition and how good we are doing. It will take time. It might take 3 months or 6 months, depending on the competition. And after 6 months, also sometimes it might not work. Okay, and the other thing is, uh, once you get into the Google first page, it will not stay. If your
Yeah.
competitor is doing well, it might go away. Like after next month, your competitor will be on the first. You might come down. So again,
Mm-hmm.
also do SEO on that. It's a continuous process.
No,
Okay.
then
Most of the
that's what
people.
I'm saying. Like, see, people always want to be on the first page or like the second page, right? Because they really want to sell or they really want traffic to come visit their website. But
Mhm.
then why like SEO is like why they don't consider it to be like the SEO is really important and we should have more people to optimize the websites and all these things? This is my question. Because like when I was searching jobs on LinkedIn, so when I used to
Mhm.
type, like when I was applying for Java developer development, I mean for one position, like if there is an opening, 500, 600 applications are there. But when I'm searching for SEO, so it's like 30 people, 32, 35 people. It's like that.
Yeah, see, SEO, most of the people won't do it because if you have a sales team, they don't go for SEO. For example, if you see any kind of small website, which are website developers,
Mm-hmm.
okay, so their website will be small. Okay, their website will be around 5 pages or something like that,
Uh-huh.
and they don't need that. So, for example, if I take this website, they don't do much of SEO because see here they do have only these pages. Of course, if they
Mm-hmm.
have digital marketing as a service, though, so they might do SEO. But if they don't have the kind of digital marketing, they'll have this only these 10 pages. Okay, and if they don't have a blog, there is nothing on what they will do. Or if they don't have a blog, they will not produce more content. They'll have only this static 10 to 15 pages. They need
Mm-hmm.
one SEO person who can deal who can do who can do these things, and they'll hire an agency. They'll work with the agency for 3 months or something to optimize the website, like on page SEO, not the off page SEO. They'll do that and just they will leave it. That's it. They might not do much from SEO. When they have blog and they want to rank in different keywords, they might go for the SEO.
Okay. So yeah, like I was only thinking like I don't know about the India, but like how difficult it will it be for me to get a job here?
On SEO.
Yeah, SEO specialist.
Yeah, that's the reason. See, uh, as a beginner, yeah, we can think of SEO because SEO is the highest paid one in the digital marketing.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, but SEO requires a lot of other things also. So SEO is not an independent job. For example, Java website developer on Java or Python, anything, you can develop your own website.
Yeah.
You just need maybe graphics from some
Mm-hmm.
other person who can provide you the graphics. That's it. But when you're
Yeah.
dealing with SEO, content is very important. Okay, you need a content writer. If the content writer knows how to do basic SEO, then there is no need of an SEO person. Job for small companies. Okay,
Okay.
like for example, WordPress. If you go to WordPress, it will tell us. It will show it will show whether we are overwriting the meta title, meta description, H1 tag,
Mm-hmm.
image alt tags, and everything. It will tell us. So if a content writer can do that, can understand and can train for 1 month and do that, like the basics, then most of the people will think why I need an SEO person. If they are going for off-page SEO and full-fledged like competitor analysis and all these kind of things, then they might hire an SEO. But mostly, content writer is the main. Content is the king. Only the content. Without the content, nothing. SEO is nothing. And the other thing is branding. Most of the bigger companies will go for branding than the SEO.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so for example, if you invest money in social media advertisements,
Mm-hmm.
uh, then that would be great. Like social media advertisements will give more reach. If you invest money in social media advertisements, you'll get more customers to your website. If it is kind of
Yeah.
e-commerce platforms,
Yeah.
rather than having an SEO, they will have SEO for sure e-commerce because they'll have a lot of products and they need to handle that SEO things. But social media will grab more visitors, and if the visitors are interested, they will be the returning visitors again. So if I buy something from a website and if I like the product, I might go again and buy from that website. So the customer
Mm-hmm.
gaining is important for them, and that will happen through the social media and also branding. Branding is also same like SEO, like it's a continuous process. It will go and
Mm-hmm.
go and go. Like how many years you are working on that depends on that. The branding will increase based on the work, how many years you're doing. Same, social media and branding are important. So digital marketing is a kind of mix. If we go only on one particular thing, like if you consider your career to be only digital marketing, then you should not focus on only SEO for the future. Maybe
Mm-hmm.
down the line, 5 years, if you know the complete digital marketing, it would be great.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And this, I told you, like, right, last time, like, they nowadays they are asking people should have idea in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript technical SEO. So, what are
Mm-hmm.
those things?
Yeah, those things are tag manager. So you don't need to have that, but just why it is in the sense, for example, if you want to create a tag based on CSS.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, previously we have created a tag based on the click text, right?
Yeah.
So we can create the tags based on HTML coding also. So when it comes to variables, we can see these things. Like here you can see click class. This click class is CSS. Okay, let me
Mm-hmm.
show you. So when I click on something,
Mm-hmm.
it will create a click and the link click. So when I go to variables, here actually the click class and click ID, click target is empty.
Mm-hmm.
But we will get this click class from the CSS. If we have CSS in the website, added CSS to that particular link or to that
Mm-hmm.
particular images or things like that, then we will get the click class. So we have used the click text as read more yesterday. So based on that, if you don't want to use click the text, the click text as read more or something, then we can
Mm-hmm.
use the CSS also.
Okay.
CSS click ID, click target. So, but it should be unique. So, for example, there is a button called read more and read, just two buttons. We need to have
Mm-hmm.
separate CSS for these two buttons. Then only we
Mm-hmm.
can trigger with the CSS. If not, there will be a mix. If we have the same CSS ID, then whatever we click on, it will trigger. So it should not happen. So for that reason, we should, if we have the basic HTML knowledge, we can add the CSS to those things and we can create the tags. So that is the reason they'll ask for that. This is one reason. So this is actually not required, but some people might say that. But the other reason is uh, for the startups. So once they develop a website, for example, small websites with around 15 pages or 30 pages, they'll develop the website and they'll just keep it. They'll not make any changes. They will not have the website developer. They'll just do their own job from the website. They'll just sell or they'll just sell the services and things like that. If as a SEO person, if I know the basic HTML coding, I can deal with the robots or sitemap or anything. There is no need to go and ask for a developer's help. So if that is a static website, if the company doesn't have a developer, for technical SEO we need to handle. That would be an added advantage. So if we don't know, again we need to request for a developer. They need to hire another developer to do the on-page SEO. So that is the reason they'll ask for the basic HTML knowledge from the server side too. But HTML knowledge is not required. Is this clear, Arunima, or is it not good? By HTML is required. Hello.
Sorry. Yeah, it's clear. It's clear.
Okay. So you have the knowledge on JavaScript, right?
I have knowledge. Like I I don't have full knowledge, but I have like basic knowledge in JavaScript.
Okay. And the another thing is like if you have a website, for example, if you are doing something in Amazon, it will
Mm-hmm.
track everything. Like for example, we can track who are adding this product to cart. Okay, when we add this product to cart, I want to track more details. Like I want to track the price, the discount.
Mm-hmm.
This is the total price, $9,
Mm-hmm.
and this is the actual price where we will get $5. Four
Mm-hmm.
dollars is the discount. I want to track these three details: discount, actual price, and the final price for the user,
Yeah.
and the delivery date or the product name, the link, and the brand. Which brand is this? Which color is this? I want to track everything. So if I want to track these kind of details, we need to write a JavaScript. Okay, so we
So
will
dynamic
get that.
program. Mm-hmm. G4 to card.
So here from the, so this is the code, how it will be. So in GA4 we will say items. Items means products.
Products.
So item name, item
I
ID,
use this.
location,
Yeah.
coupon, discount. These are
Mm.
the things which we need to track. So when we click on add to cart or remove from cart or
Mm-hmm.
add to wish list or purchase, we need to get all these details. For that purpose, we need the developers help. Developers will take care of this. Developers will add this data layer in the website. Okay, the data layer will be around like this, the script.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so this is the script, how this looks like. Okay, G tag, event view, item list ID. So this is how it will work. So for this reason also they might ask that, but this is too advanced. We need to know the complete website. Most of the people will not give access to the digital marketing people because we might mess up.
Mm-hmm.
And the websites will have the test environment and then the QA environment and then the production. So they'll develop in the test, then they'll send it to QA, then the testing team will test that in the QA site, and then they will move it to the production.
Yeah.
So this is a big process. So for this will be done by them. And based on this also there is a website speed issue. If you are not doing these things properly, if the
Mm-hmm.
data layers are not properly implemented, the website speed will affect. So for that reason, only developers will deal with that, but sometimes they are asking for these things if it is a small website.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay. But it's a completely different job, not required. Just HTML is required just still here to understand the CSS classes.
Okay.
Let's see social media. Social media, two things we do have: organic and paid. Let's start with organic. Facebook. So let's see, the social media, mainly social media helps us increasing in branding, fast
Mm-hmm.
reach, like we can reach to many people in very short time because
Yeah.
most of the people will stay there. Uh, but we regularly use Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok and things like that.
Yeah.
That's the for the personal use. That is fine. But when we are going and working with a business or when we are working professionally, we need to handle this organic part very professionally. Just
Mm-hmm.
nothing, just a regular thing how we use. We need to use it in same way, but we do have certain things which we need to consider and make them clear. Shit.
MFA.
Okay. So when we come to Facebook, we do have two things. One is the personal Facebook profile. So this is my Facebook wall and this is my Facebook profile. So this is the Facebook profile, which is a personal use for myself. Okay, I'll have
Mm-hmm.
friends or I'll have follower. I'll have friends, and whatever I post is in between my friends and me. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
I can make it private or I can make it with my friends or I can make it public. Public, everyone can see. My friend or not, if they come to my link, they can see
Yeah.
my profile. If I keep it private, no one can see those things. If I keep it with friends, then it will be between me and my friends. But
Yeah.
most of the people can't do things. Like if I make it public also, most of the public can't comment on my things. Most of the public can't post things on my
Mm-hmm.
wall or
Mm-hmm.
things like that. Okay, but if I keep it with friends, they can also post things like maybe birthdays or any wishes. They can do that. So this is just the profile, and profile you can maintain however you want. Like whatever you want, you can post it. You just between you and your friends. So there
Mm-hmm.
are no much things required to maintain your personal Facebook account. But when it comes to professional, we do have the business pages. We don't do like when you are designing the Facebook for the companies, we will create pages, and we don't do it with the uh, profiles. Pages are
Mm-hmm.
nothing but in profile there are some limitations. Like in profile, I can get only up to 5,000 friends. After 5,000, Facebook will not accept friends.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
A single Facebook profile will get only 5,000 friends, not more than that. After that, we can get the followers. Followers are unlimited, but we can get only 5,000 friends for Facebook. And we can't reach to more people through profile. Profile is kind
Mm-hmm.
of personal. For that reason, for business, we will create the pages. In profile, we have add friend or friend request. In pages, we will have the like button or the follower button. Okay, likes and follows. So
Mm-hmm.
here in business pages, we just will be in touch with the with our customers or with our followers. Like if we have any kind of update, kind of promotion, like any offers, anything else, just post it. Millions of followers or millions of like all these people can see. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
when we go to Nike or Adidas, these are the bigger companies, bigger social media pages. They'll have more people, and everyone can see those things. If you have million followers, it doesn't mean if you do something, million followers will see that post. No,
Mm-hmm.
only some of the people will see those posts. It works in different way, and we can do paid promotions from the paid post. Like for example, this one home interior, it's a business page. When you post something, it will show you the boost post. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
When I see insights, this post was reached to 16 people. 16 people. Post reach was to 14 people. 14 people have seen this post 16 times. The impressions are 16. Now, with these 16 people or 14 people, I will not get anything. So I want to increase my reach to around 50,000 people. So I can boost a
Mm-hmm.
post paying some money.
Yeah.
Okay. In For the paid campaigns with the business page, we can do all these paid campaign activities. Okay, for
Mm-hmm.
every for this one. So now we do have professionally, we do have some kind of maintaining how to maintain when it is professional, then we need to maintain it professionally. So how do we maintain, increase our reach, and how to handle the social media post as a professional person? We need to know those things, and we'll know those things. So first, when it comes to profile section, we need to understand profile also, because without profile there is no page. Like if you want to create a page, it should be created from one of a profile.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, maybe your profile or any profile, you need to have profile to create the pages. And for
Yeah.
pages you can provide access to other people. Like if I have a page, I can provide access to you, to your profile. So in your profile you can see all the pages and you can work on those pages.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And ads manager also, it would be different. We'll go later for the ads manager. It will also, we can create different ad manager accounts for different profiles, or we
Okay.
can create multiple ad manager accounts for even one Facebook page also. Okay, so we'll come here later. But when it comes to profile, I think you know the Facebook and how you will use that. So I'll just give the basic overview. So here, what you see is the Facebook wall. We'll get
Yeah.
all the post what
Posting.
your friends are posting.
Yeah.
And the other thing are groups. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
just groups also. Most of the people will join in groups.
Yeah.
Know many things, like to
Yeah.
discussion. Like it's a kind of forums. We can ask questions. They can ask question, or we can post something.
Mm-hmm.
Things
Yeah.
like that. And in groups, we do have three kind of groups: same, private, public, and friends.
Yeah.
Okay, public is anyone can post on those things. Private, no one can post. Only those people who are inside, then they can post and things like that. Friends, only friends can see those posts. Private means no one can see those group at all. So if they join, then only they can see the content what was posted in the post,
Mm-hmm.
the forum
Mm-hmm.
discussions, what is. Friends, only friends can see those things who are joined in the groups. Okay,
Yeah.
so this was the public group. This is a suggested, I haven't joined, but this is a suggested, so it was asking to join.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
But if I have joined anything, so this is the joined group. This is a private group with around 20,000 members. Okay, this
So
reach will
like
be more.
this group is made by someone and people just joined it.
Yes, this group was created by some one person.
Okay, admin. Okay.
Yeah, that admin can provide access to this group also. Like 20,000 people, one person will create that. He might not handle the group, so he can have some other members where he will give some access to this particular group, so that if I create a group, I can give access to you. You can be admin of the group also,
Got it.
so that you can remove members if you want. You can block the members if you want.
Mm-hmm.
You can remove the post if you want. You can have the complete access to this group.
Yeah.
Now, the difference between groups and profiles: a profile personal only friends, and you groups for the discussion mostly. If you want if you want a topic related, for example, here it was related to Google Analytics 4G, Google Tag Manager.
Mm-hmm.
So related to anything, these 20,000 people will come here and will post something like, I need this, or this is the new feature coming up. So this is the
Mm-hmm.
discussion will happen every time.
Okay. Yeah.
So groups are important to reach to more people. Like even though if you have a business page, you are selling some product or you have some service based details. Now,
Mm-hmm.
if you post that in this group, it will reach to many people. Like here we do have 20,000 people.
Yeah.
Okay, when you see the previously one who minted at the Facebook page, it has only 500 members, 500 likes. In that
Yeah.
500 likes, it was reaching to maybe 80 people or 100 people will see the post.
Mm-hmm.
Previously, when we saw it has 16 impressions. So now with those 16 impression, I don't get anything. So I can share that to a group which is related to interiors,
Mm-hmm.
where there will be 20,000 people and at least some thousand people will see those posts.
Yeah.
Okay. So these are groups, and groups are three types. Groups are important for the discussion and for promoting or for reaching more people organically. This is only organic, not the paid options.
Mm-hmm.
Groups and then pages. So here, same like groups, we do have some other things like events.
Mm-hmm.
Events are if your business or if you are doing any event, you can create an event,
Yeah.
and you can just sell the tickets also, like give the book my show link,
Mm-hmm.
and they can buy that. Just creating an event, it will ask host name, event name, start date and end date, and time also, virtual or in person, who can see it,
Mm-hmm.
private, public, friends and groups. Okay, it can be public, so everyone can see, anyone can see that. And the details, like we are hosting an audio launch at this particular place and things like that, these are the guests coming. And we can add co-host. Co-host means like I will be the admin for this host. I'll be the admin. Co-host, like you can also handle the page, you can also update it if you want to
Yeah.
update the timings or anything, like if you have a new guest coming up, you can add it, things like that. So repeating event and additional settings, guest list. So once we create the event, we can also give the book my show link to book the tickets.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that is the event. So when we see this event page, so this is how it will be. The title, it is an online event, these are the dates it will start. So if you are interested, you can say interested or going. Just interested means I'm interested, but I don't know I'm going there or not. If I'm
Mm-hmm.
going, I can invite some of my friends who are related, uh, who are interested in this
Yeah.
Australia education. Can share. So these 412 people responded to this event. 68 are going, 344 are interested. That's it. And we can post these things. Make
Yeah.
your homework. We can add some of the details for the post. We can even if we can update this also below. This is the discussion happening about these groups. Okay, so how do we go there? What will be the discussions happening in this? So all the things can be do. This is the events. Events can be personal, like you can host your own birthday event, or you can host something else, your daughters or your kids or whatever it is, anniversaries and things like that. And
Yeah.
for business also, pages can host the events. From the pages also, we can host the events. They might go to some uh, exhibitions or somewhere they'll host something, so they can create for that also, they can create the events.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and groups, events, and there are other things like marketplace is like OLX or Quicker. I'm not sure whether you have seen this marketplace or not. Same like OLX or Quicker, but most of the times we will not go to here, we will not use this marketplace. Okay, Facebook marketplace, most of the times we will not use this marketplace. Just it's like OLX, we can add, we can create a new listing and we can sell it. Most of the spam will happen in here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And as a brand, they will not post anything under the marketplace because people will not trust.
Yeah.
Okay, messenger and pages. So the rest are the remaining are like fundraiser, feeds, or crisis response, climate service center. These are just blood donation. These are just the other things which we will not consider. But as
Mm-hmm.
a personal, if you want, just look into that details. Mostly, we will see groups, events, and pages.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Uh, so under profile section, one thing is settings. So when you see this top URL, we need to optimize this URL as per on page SEO. We'll see the URL optimization. Same here for page or for profile, it's better to optimize our uh, username. This is the username. We need to
Yeah.
optimize it. If not, there will be numbers like facebook.com avinash1234 or avinash something else. The numbers will be
Yeah.
created when we first create the Facebook. So this is important for company or personal profile, so we'll get more rankings for that. So under about section we need to fill all those details also. So it's personal, it's fine, you can do it or you cannot, it is not required.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. But when it comes to business pages, then we need to do all those things. But for personal also, if you are like, then you can do that. If not, not required.
Okay.
So once this profile is optimized, we can go and create a page. Creating a page is easy. Uh, you can create a page for AR web media. Okay. Right now I'm not creating here. I'll just take you through. Just give the page name which is required, category, and the bio. Okay, we can edit all these things later also. Okay. I'm just telling digital mark category, digital creator or something bio, and then once we click on create page, the page will be created and it will ask for the uh, profile images and the other details which is related to the company. Okay, that is a page which was created. Now we need to give the contact, website, phone number, or email address, location, town, all the other details, working hours. And when we go to next, it will ask other details also about the main images or the background images and some other details. It will ask for that. Okay, so if we fill that, so we do have 5 steps, basic details. If it is optional, we can just change it. And once creating the page, we can always edit these details. Okay, so I'm not creating the page, Arunima. Just you can go ahead and create the page for AR web media.
On Facebook, right?
Yeah, on Facebook. It will be
Okay.
simple, just filling the detail. That's it. Just
Mm-hmm.
open your Facebook, just go to pages and create a new page. You can just create that. It is very easy, just creating like Facebook only.
Through my personal account, I can do that.
Yeah, your personal account.
Okay.
You can do that. If you want to do it now, you can share your screen and do that.
Yeah. Just a second. Yeah. Can I share my screen?
Yeah, you can.
Okay. Yeah. Can you see?
Yes, I can see.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. On the left side, you can click on see more. Come down, you can go to pages. Yeah, create a new page.
So like after creating this, we can modify the name or like it will be like this
Yes, you
only.
can modify the name,
Okay.
but the username will be modified every 6 months, and we need to have some followers to do that.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Once you change the username again till the next 6 months, you can't change the usernames, or we need to request it specially to change the username. Username will be the URL, not the page name.
Mm-hmm.
So it's fine. If you want to create for AR web media, you can create it. But if you want to test it, just create a fake one, fake page. Just create something.
And what should I give the name?
Just name it your name. Give your name like I don't know, and just create it. Yeah, category will be celebrity or things maybe.
Celebrity.
So it is as it is personal. Yeah, optional.
Okay. Create.
Yeah, create. Website. Give your website link. No problem. We can change everything later.
Phone number.
Phone
Same.
number. Give something else.
Something else.
Anything is fine. It's a fake page, right? No one will see this page anyway.
Oh my God. Address and all.
Yeah, these are not mandatory, I think, but you can give that. Just pick something.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. So here
Okay.
no hours.
Yeah, keep no hours or always open. Anything fine. Yeah, next. Now the profile picture and cover photo, we can add it later also. Add
Next.
action button. It would be like here you can see on this preview, you can see the follow message, right? There we will get the action button. Click on action button. Try it. Yeah, we will have these many buttons. Okay, we can pick only one button. We can't get all the buttons. We can get only one button. Okay.
Then.
It's fine just keep it as send message or something. Just save it. That's it. Yeah, I click on next. Not required. Skip it.
Skip.
Yeah, because no need to connect WhatsApp to page.
Okay.
In my friends, not now. Just click next. Now you can optimize with these page notifications or profiles. Just click on done. That's it. Okay. Now your page was created. Okay, this is not required.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the page for your company or for your personal profile.
Yeah.
So now we need to optimize it well as it should be professional. Maybe it's an personal like a celebrity or the business company is it is a page, so it should be professional to increase the likes and followers. Okay, we need to increase more followers and more likes from the Facebook, mostly followers because Instagram, TikTok, everything will have followers. Twitter will also have followers, so we need to increase that. So for that purpose, we need to maintain it professionally, and we need to update everything: the profile photo, the background photo, cover photo, and all.
Yeah.
And if you go to the about section, and yeah, so we need to fill every detail here. Okay, as this is the business pages, we need to fill
Uh-huh.
every detail: contact and basic info, privacy and legal info, okay, work, education, places lived. See, these options will be different as you have given it as an athlete. So it will
Mm-hmm.
be a person, it will be a person. So that is the
Mm-hmm.
reason you are seeing places lived, family and relations.
Yeah.
Okay, but if you give it like a category, like a product based company or e-commerce website and things like that, these options will be different.
Okay.
Okay, you can go to, in the next tab you can just go to Facebook and click on some other page. Just search for Nike or any other business page. Open Facebook, just search for Nike on the top search bar. Yeah, open that. Just click on the page. Yeah, you can click on the about section. So here we are getting this info, general info, how many followers and all, additional contact info. They have just given the website. They don't give the phone number or email ID or anything. And more info, additional information, just do it. That's it. They kept it very simple
Mm-hmm.
of the about section. Okay. If you go to any other pages like the small companies, you might see different details.
Sound.
Here they do have more options, contact and basic info. They also just gave the website links and they have given the address, nothing else.
Oh,
Okay,
okay.
page transparency will be there for every page.
Huh.
Just we can see what advertisements they are doing.
Okay. Got it.
Yeah, when you come back to your page, Facebook page, so we need to fill everything whatever we want to show to
What
our.
is this privacy legal info means?
Yeah, click on it. Legal info, just we need to provide some details. For every website, we do have privacy policies. Every website.
Oh.
Okay, we need to add those privacy policies. It's fine for personal use, it's not required. And the other thing is page transparency. If you come down, you'll see the page transparency. Yeah, page transparency, we don't need to do anything. Facebook will show page transparency to everyone. If you go to Amazon,
Mm-hmm.
go to Amazon page and go to about section. Here page transparency, you will see that. So page transparency is as per the government rules, actually the data policies. We need this should be public, like when the page was created and what it is, that should be private, public. So this page transparency will tell us all the details. Just to
Mm-hmm.
don't make it like, don't create fake pages. Okay, don't make it spam. For that reason this
Mm-hmm.
transparency will be mentioned. And you can see the advertisements of Amazon also. You can click on see all. Okay, you can come down, come down, ads from this page. Here you can see this page is currently running ads. If you go to click on go to ads library, you can see all the ads what Amazon is running.
Go to
Okay,
library.
yeah, go to ads library. These are the complete advertisements of Amazon and locations also. So this transparency will be mentioned based on the GDPR, like the data policies. Everything should be
Mm-hmm.
public. So that is the reason this will be shown. Okay. These are the many advertisements of Amazon which are running in Facebook.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
you can filter them on the above. You will have the filters, and you can filter it by, I think, by location also. So based on that, you
Mm-hmm.
get details what kind of advertisements they are doing. This can be helpful when you're creating ads also, like how to create an ad copy. Based on that, you can do that.
Yeah.
This will help for the competitor analysis. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
if you have a competitor in your own business things, you, if you want to see your competitor advertisements, you can go to page transparency of any page, and you can see
Yeah.
the ads. If they're not running ads, it will tell these people are not running ads right now.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So this is on the about section and the username details. So if you come back to your page, yeah, we need to fill the username details also. For right now, about mentions, reviews, followers, photos. Click on more.
Okay.
No, on the top, top,
Mm-hmm.
top. Next to the advertise manage, there is an edit button. Come down. Okay, customize on the top, little bit top. Yeah, customize your info, athlete, order info. Okay, come down. Future, edit your about info. This is about section. Okay, close it. On your left side, you are seeing the settings. So here username. Your username was not set. We need to set the username so that we will have a proper name without any
Mm-hmm.
numbers. Okay, like
Okay.
facebook.com/Amazon or facebook.com/Arunima, something like that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, your business name. So every time you need to, sometimes when you're setting the username, it will ask you need to have at least 20 followers. Okay, it will tell us, it will give a error notification when you're setting the username. Then at that point of time, we can create the username. Once we get the 20 followers, then only we can set the username. Okay, it will give sometimes, it will not give sometimes. So it depends on Facebook when it will provide that. Okay, and privacy. Most of the uh, public pages, they will not go into much of privacy. It will be
Mm-hmm.
public. Okay,
Yeah.
the only thing they will make public is uh, how they will react with our pages. Okay, in anyway, everyone can react to the company pages and all stuff, but when it comes to the athletes or the celebrities, they might block some of things, like no one should post on their walls and things like that. They will make that. So
Mm-hmm.
under these things, you can manage that, how people find and contact you, or messaging, allow people and pages to message your page. So you can switch that off. You can make some activities. Most of the people will not make any changes, they will make it public, because that is a company. With the Facebook, they will be in touch with the customers. For example, Amazon, if you're not able to reach Amazon customer services through the calls or chats, you can go to Facebook and you can just chat with the Amazon customer service.
Oh.
If it is a positive thing or if it is a negative thing, Amazon will respond to these people. So they will have a separate team. Most of the big companies, they'll have a separate team, maybe the customer service people who will work on Facebook, the social media chats, the Twitter DMs, or the Facebook messages, or the Instagram messages, or the people will tag them for all those things to uh, react and to respond to those people. There will be separate teams for social media. Okay,
Yeah.
this is called as online reputation management, ORM.
ORM.
Okay,
Online
yeah.
reputation.
For example, let's say Amazon, it has, I have purchased a product, I got an empty box without the product. So now I have reached out to customer care, they are not responding properly. Now what I'll do, I'll go to Facebook and I'll tag them and I'll keep the photo and I'll do something like, Facebook have done this, and all the stuff. So this will be seen by all the followers and it will be public, this post. So their reputation, their online reputation, will not be good when I post something like Amazon did this, Amazon customer service is not good, or things like that.
Mm-hmm.
So to maintain that, they will respond to maintain their reputation, their online reputation, they will respond to the post and they'll tell sorry for the inconvenience or something, and they'll take their IDs and they'll try to resolve the issue. Okay, this is online reputation management also. And in online reputation, what happens? The negativity will spread fast,
Haha.
whether it is a person or the company. If you send these kind of things, like if you have a million followers, if you are in Instagram or Facebook, you have 10,000 followers, and if you do these kind of posts like I got this empty box or I got the wrong product and things like that,
Mhm.
your 10,000 followers will respond to that, will comment like Amazon is worst and things like that. So to
Mhm.
avoid that, Amazon will respond quickly. So if
Yeah.
we have a business, we need to handle those kind of details. Okay,
Okay.
even though if many people will comment like that, even though Amazon will not apologize for everyone. Okay, they
Mhm.
might say this is not true or something like that, but there is
Mhm.
it's not required to mention apologize and giving them benefits and all. Amazon
Mhm.
mostly will not do that. It will take care, it will look into the issue what happened, but it will maintain the transparency. Okay, we have sent that, we have seen the videos of the packing on things like that, the product was being there. So but you are saying it was not reached to you, some things like that, so to maintain their reputation. Okay, but if people like athletes or anyone, if they post things like that, they will have millions of followers and that will go viral.
Mhm.
At that point of time, it would be tough to handle things, because rather than the product, they need their reputation, they need their credibility with the users, so they might give free things at that point of time. Okay, so just we need to maintain our online reputation, responding to negative comments or positive comments, whatever it is. We need to maintain our online reputation through the social media channels. Not only Facebook, everything it comes, Twitter or Instagram or anything it comes.
Mhm.
Okay. And yeah, these are the privacy settings. Mostly, most of the times we'll keep it public. And we have the blocking stories, public posts, and things like that. Just we can go to
Yeah,
these
just
details. We can,
I know.
yeah, yeah, that's it. On these things, there's no much things on here.
Okay.
Next thing, postings. How to do the post in Facebook, and how to increase the followers.
Mhm.
Okay. Increasing followers at the beginning is a big process, because we will have zero followers. We need to take much time, maybe 1 or 2 months, to do regular postings, and we need to share them in the groups.
Mhm.
Okay, right now you created a page with zero people in it, zero likes in it, zero followers in it.
Yeah.
So if you want to increase the followers, you need to post something.
One more thing I want to know, like, suppose I gave this AR web media where someone is trying to reach me, then, no, how to explain this? Okay, this is my website, so I need to provide some Gmail also, right? So that
Yes.
people can, if they have any queries or anything.
Yes. Yeah.
So it will be like business Gmail, not the personal.
Yeah, business Gmail it will be.
Okay.
That
With
that
that
depends
will,
on
yeah.
that depends on you. You can give your personal email also, but many people will email you.
Got it.
Okay, and you can give the personal also. It's fine. It depends on how you do that. You can give the phone number or email, anything.
Got it. Got it. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So now we'll see how to post and how to increase the followers. Okay. The group sharing and things like that. Just the basic which already you know.
Mm-hmm.
You can post just test for testing purpose. You can post anything, and then you'll have the share option for that particular post. if you click on the share option, just write hello and post it here.
Hello?
Yeah, just write something. What's on your mind? It was asking. Just post something. Good evening or good morning or something. Yeah, yeah, post it.
That's it?
Yeah, post it. Just for testing purpose. That's it. Yeah. Here, if you come down, you have the share button. When you click on that, it will ask for groups, profile, or public. Yeah. Right now, it was not asking for groups because we might not have groups. So that is the reason it was not showing groups. But it will show groups if you have groups. If we share it to a particular group, then in the group, we will have 10,000, 20,000, or 100,000 people. At least some people will see the post. Okay, now we do have zero followers. If you post also, no one will see this post. Okay, to increase the followers in the
Hmm.
beginning, we need to do the group sharing. So in the groups, there will be some people, 10,000 or 20,000. So they might see those posts and they might like the page and they might like the post also. Okay, that
Yeah,
way, in the initial days, we can increase our followers organic way without paying money.
got it.
And hashtags. Um, I think you know about hashtags, or
Yeah,
you'll
yeah,
see the
yeah.
hash and things like that. So you can give anything as hashtag. Hashtag
But
means when you click on,
one more thing, like how would I know that this hashtag is trending? Like how, like
we
they,
need to we need
okay,
to search in the Facebook. Just if you want to give some hashtag, just go to the search Facebook bar and give that hashtag. Okay, or mention that hashtag. You might see different hashtags related to that particular hashtags.
yeah,
Okay, like you can see those details, and based
yeah,
on that you can provide the hashtag.
yeah.
Okay. Based on hashtags also we might get, but hashtags very less, we might get very less reach and followers with the hashtags, but with the sharing we'll get more.
I
Okay,
got it.
so this is basically the organic part of Facebook.
Now
Okay,
comes the,
nothing, just making it professional. That's it. Same way how we use those things.
uh-huh.
When it comes to paid advertisements, we need to know how to use it.
Yeah,
Okay.
yes,
Yeah,
I
we'll
think,
have
yeah.
ad center and campaign manager. So both are different things. Here, ad center or things like that will be just for the small scale business. They'll use this ad center. Okay. We will use ads manager. It will be a ads manager account. So
Uh-huh.
from that account, we'll create the advertisements. Ads manager will be very simple, like boosting post. Your boost post will be, you can see those things here, and you can see all the ads also, but it will be easy for ad center.
Yeah,
Okay. Tomorrow we'll start with the paid advertisements for Facebook.
okay, okay. Yeah, like I just wanted to show you this. Yeah, this is like jobs, I'm searching. So,
Hmm.
like this job came, okay, like 3 to 5 years. See this solid understanding of HTML, JavaScript, and DOM as it relates to SEO best practices.
Practices. Okay. Fine. Just understanding the tag manager. Use of tag manager will help this HTML JavaScript. But if it mention like it's solid understanding, we don't know what they're expecting. Maybe things like website speed also affect SEO. If they ask to increase the website speed, then it's a developer
Mhm.
issue. Even though if you know HTML and things like that, it's a developer job to do that because there will be many things involved when it comes to website speed, server or the coding part or how you code and things like that. So it's not much necessary, but idea is fine.
So like whenever like I'll be searching only this SEO and SEO strategy.
Yeah, it's fine. If they say basic knowledge of HTML and EM, it's fine. You can apply for these jobs also. They might not ask much.
And this is like this SEO editor. What does this mean? Editor means?
If they have a content like a news channel or something
Oh,
like
okay.
that, you need to make their edits in the pages as per SEO. Like content, like the for news channel, there will be many reporters where they'll publish the news. Okay, you need to make changes as per SEO, like the
Uh-huh.
heading, title, or the image alt tags or things like that. You need to
Mhm.
make those changes as per SEO rules.
Okay. Now, can you see this Charlie Health? Like their salary
Yes.
is
Yeah.
50K to 125K.
Yeah. And Arima, I don't know how in US it will work, but in India they will tell 20 lakhs, 10 lakhs, and things like that. But when you go to interview, they will say 5 lakhs.
Oh, really?
In India, it will happen. So I'm not sure in USA how it works.
Because minimum, like, see, now this is search technical manager, search engine optimization. This is for, can you see the salary range? Like 3 days
Yeah,
ago, they posted 134 to 160K. Like
yeah.
developer, also, they don't earn this much. Like four years of SEO experience with heavy emphasis on technical side. I don't know what technical side they want.
See, mostly for SEO, if you're working, most of the bigger companies will look for technical side, means on-page SEO.
Okay.
Okay, off-page
Yeah.
they will not prefer much. Only
Mm-hmm.
on-page the technical part they'll prefer much. Okay,
Got it.
so
Yeah, have to see according to that. Okay, yeah.
okay,
Thanks a lot.
okay, we'll meet tomorrow.
Yeah.
And you asked me Saturday, Sunday availability. Yes, I'm available on Saturday and Sunday also. If you want, just ping me. We can have the class. Ping me before, like your morning. You can ping me. We can have your evening class.
Okay, okay, yeah. Sure.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.